Transfer stations can be classified in a number of ways, including by their size, type of operation, and location. Classification by size. Small transfer stations. These stations have a capacity of less than 100 tons of waste per day. They are typically used in rural areas or for specific types of waste, such as construction and demolition debris. Medium transfer stations. These stations have a capacity of 100 to 500 tons of waste per day. They are typically used in suburban and urban areas. Large transfer stations. These stations have a capacity of more than 500 tons of waste per day. They are typically located in major metropolitan areas and serve a large region. Classification by type of operation. Direct discharge stations. These stations are the simplest type of transfer station. Waste collection vehicles unload their waste directly into a larger transfer vehicle. Storage discharge stations. These stations store waste in a bunker or other container until it can be loaded into a transfer vehicle. This type of station can be used to reduce the number of transfer vehicle trips required. Combined direct and storage discharge stations. These stations combine the features of direct discharge and storage discharge stations. Classification by location. On-site transfer stations. These stations are located at the same facility as the waste disposal site. This type of station is often used to consolidate waste from multiple collection vehicles before it is disposed of at the landfill or incinerator. Off-site transfer stations. These stations are located at a different facility than the waste disposal site. This type of station is often used to reduce the number of trips required to transport waste to the disposal site. Explanation of transfer stations. Transfer stations play an important role in modern waste management systems. By consolidating waste from smaller collection vehicles into larger, more efficient vehicles, transfer stations can help to reduce the cost and environmental impact of waste transportation. Transfer stations can also be used to sort and process waste, such as recyclable materials. This can help to reduce the amount of waste that is sent to landfills and incinerators. Transfer stations can be a valuable asset to communities, but they are important to plan and design carefully. Transfer stations should be located in areas where they will not have a negative impact on the environment or the community. They should also be designed to handle the volume and type of waste that will be generated in the community. Here are some examples of different types of transfer stations. A small transfer station in a rural area. This station may consist of a simple drop-off area where residents can bring their waste. The waste is then collected by a larger truck and transported to a final disposal site. A medium transfer station in a suburban area. This station may have a more complex operation, with multiple bays for unloading collection vehicles and loading transfer vehicles. The station may also have equipment for compacting or baling waste to reduce its volume. A large transfer station in a major metropolitan area. This station may be a highly automated facility with multiple bays for unloading collection vehicles and loading transfer vehicles. The station may also have equipment for sorting and processing waste, such as recyclable materials. The type of transfer station that is best for a particular community depends on a number of factors, including the volume of waste generated, the distance to the final disposal site, and the budget available.